it's Gina from WTI. There's a few things that I want in a mascara, and I found all of them with this It's So Big But Better mascara from Elizabeth Mott. First off, this is smudge proof. I absolutely love that because I've used lots of other mascara in the past that by the end of the day, I've got this black mark underneath both eyes and it drives me crazy. I can wear this all day. I can exercise, get super sweaty out in the yard, and this never smudges underneath my eyes. I love that. Also, it's volumizing and makes my eyelashes look longer because it has fiber in it that actually attaches to your eyelashes and lengthens them. I love that so much. Now, I don't have like excessively long lashes. They're not excessively full, but I just love how it really accentuates what I already have. And that is definitely a huge plus from this mascara. Before I apply it, I do use the applicator wand and kind of brush off some of the product on the edge of the tube so that it doesn't clump, and it goes on really smooth and it's just beautiful. It's a really true to black color, and I just love the way that it makes my eyelashes look. Elizabeth Mott has high quality products, and this mascara is definitely no exception. I love using it every single day, and that's my point of view.